Hello my creators, today we are going to make puppet cover. For that we require these materials. Let's start the video. Here first you have to take a white paper as a base and one diary which you are using. Now you have to take a size of your diary horizontally and vertically both sides. Here I am taking the size of my diary. You have to go for your diary size, and remember that always we have to take 2 cm extra than the actual size of the diary. So first I am marking with the actual size of diary, then I am just taking a 2 cm extra as I told you right now. See, like this. Now we have to cut this paper. Now as I told you, we have to leave the 1 cm extra, so mark a 1 cm. And now trace with the empty refill pen and fold that area. Like this you have to check in your diary also. Now from the upper side we have to leave 1 inch and trace a line, and exactly in a center we have to mark 1.5 inch, and that we have to do a cut mark with the cutter. Now take a red paper. From the red paper we are going to make the ears of this puppet. So here I choose the size of the ears is 9 by 14 cm because my diary size is 10.5 by the 17.5. So according that I choose here. Now once you complete cutting, you have to fold that paper from the center, something like this. And any one side you have to leave a 1/2 inch. Afterwards, you have to draw this shape of the ears like this. From the center you have to remember, you have to leave a space like this. Now again you have to take a red paper and 4 cm by the 16 cm you have to mark out. We are going to make a tongue from this. The broadness is like the scale size only. And then you have to cut this one. Remember one thing, as I told you, here I can choose a size according to my diary size. So you have to choose a size according to your diary. Now take the yellow color paper. In the yellow color paper we are going to do a face repaint. So here I am taking a 10.5 2 times. Now here I mark at 13 and here I mark at 8 cm. As I told you, this all sizes depending on your diary size, so you have to go for that. Now draw the line, and now here I am making this curve shapes for make the face like this. Afterward you have to cut this. Now take this ear part, and now tongue part we are going to stick it here. So first mark with the pencil. Now apply the Fevicol here and stick it. Now fold your ears like this. Now take this one, tongue, and from the back side you have to insert in a front side like this. See. Now take out a face cutout, this one and the lower one also. First you have to assemble. Now you have to stick this one. Remember that in the tongue area, the center part, you don't have to apply the Fevicol and you don't have to stick it. The bottom part 1 centimeter you have to leave it. See, like this I not apply the Fevicol in the center area, especially where the tongue will be sticked. Like this, bottom part you have to stick it properly. Now from this we are going to make the eyes and stick it with the help of the two-way tape. So here is your puppet cover is ready for your own diary. Like this you have to check, you have to insert. Now apply the Fevicol in this area and stick it on the cover page of your diary. Like this, once you complete, you have to take any color strips at the bottom. You have to stick it here. On these strips you can write your name or any slogan, whichever you like it. So like this, your puppet diary cover is ready. When you pull out the tongue, the ear should be moving like this. See. I hope you like and enjoy this activity. Thank you.